Okay, I think I'm finally done. It's been an adventure, I have to say. Pretty well every part I touched, everything I took off, everything I worked on, I cleaned, brushed, polished, buffed, adjusted, lubricated, rebuilt. I've got everything working the way it should. I've taken everything back to the original stock specifications. I've got it all adjusted the way it should be. I got to say, the Special Olympics champion that had the bike before, I can understand why this bike has low mileage. It sat for most of its life because whoever it was, they tried to do performance upgrades, and of course, first of all, it was obvious they didn't know what they were doing. Secondly, everything that they did do was half-assed and not finished and smashed together with hammers, I would guess. Nothing was done properly. So I had a lot of everything that the previous owner touched was wrong. I had to do it all over again. But I've got it down now. I've learned a lot. I have to thank Paul Henshaw from Performance Classics in England. I learned a lot from watching his videos. He's very knowledgeable, and if you're in England and you need Royal Enfield work or any classic old motorbike, he's definitely the guy to go see. But anyway, I'm just going to go through the starting procedure and show you how it works. I've got it to the point where it starts every time. So the first thing we do, of course, is we open the fuel and we open the enrichener valve. It's not really a choke. I give it a little bit of a bump up on the throttle, and I'm just going to kick it over gently a couple of times in order to prime the cylinder with fuel. Okay, and we go through the compression stroke on the decompression lever. Okay, I just give it a couple. I found it seems to work. Maybe 2 or 3 kicks without the ignition turned on. Okay, that should be enough. And now we can shut the enrichener valve. We don't need any more fuel in the cylinder. And she starts really easy. I'm very happy. So, of course, with the Royal Enfield bullets, you have to bring it up to top dead center, and you can find that with the amp meter. When you're at top dead center on the firing stroke, or when you're coming up on compression, the points will close, and there, the amp meter bumps down. So now we use the decompression valve, which I love. We open it, and we just go slowly there. Now we're at the top of firing, and it should just go. Oh yeah, make a liar out of me. Okay, we'll do it again. Bring the top dead center. There we go. We're on. We've been through the compression stroke. Just pump up the idle a bit until it warms up. That was a cold start. Second kick. You gotta love it. And when she warms up and settles down, okay, now we can bring the throttle down. Oh yeah, too much. Anyway, you can see she runs I'm going to take it for a ride. I'm a happy guy today. So this is the end of my videos. I hope anybody that has watched them all has enjoyed them. It's been an adventure, as I say, and I'm finally at the point where I can ride my bike. So thank you for your watching, and I know everybody on YouTube says like, subscribe, and all that stuff. Up to you. I don't really care. I'm not in this to make money. Okay, talk to you later. Thank you.